as I have it at the moment. And this is that piece of old mahogany that I reclaimed mahogany. I've got several of these, about half a dozen sheets of this. And there's one thing I wanted to point out to you on this, and I did mention this when I was doing the CAD cam, that this was either sold or, I don't know, auctioned or something in 30th of the 8th 1948 in Tasmania. So, you know, this is more than 80 years old. And unfortunately there's a few holes in it. On the other side, I should have probably filmed it, I'll show you later. There's quite a number of little marks in it, but this is going to be the front face side, and I think it deserves saving. So, beautiful piece of wood. So here we go, we're going to start to machine it now, and the first tool we're going to put in is a 6mm 2-flute end mill, and we're going to find the center. I'm going to drill a hole in the center because that's going to be our datum hole, because we're going to flip this over and machine the a recess out in the back. Well, I think that turned out to be absolutely spectacular. I really like that. And I've only given it a light sanding. You know, there was some holes here. I don't know what someone did to it. But I think we've reclaimed that piece of mahogany very, very nicely. I haven't quite thought of what picture I'm going to put in it yet, but I might even make a laser etching into glass and put in there. Not sure yet. Beautiful.